All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. However you guys are watching this, whatever time it is. Today is actually Sunday here in the city of Los Angeles. You can see right behind me the mini trucks right there on the trailer. There's also a trailer for the trailer and the trailer for the trailer. But that being said, I did say in the last video, guys, the classic Japanese car show, that over there in the city of Long Beach was amazing. There is 3 parts up, guys, so make sure you watch all those. I did say I am going to be trying to fly the drone today, so we're going to try to get some drone shots, and hopefully we won't get caught up in these telephone wires over here. I am new at this, so I'm always trying out new footage. It's going to be a mixture of this content, then flashing back to inside. I am going to be paying for the thing over here. Vintage Classic Japanese had one be here before. However, though, it was like $30-$40 for entry, which I find ridiculous. It is what it is. We're going to get this drone up in the air, and I'll catch you guys in the sky. Somebody ride, lady, yeah, they done got me started. And now it's time to leave bitches broken heart. Somebody ride, lady, yeah, they done got me started. And now it's time to leave bitches broken heart. Somebody ride, lady, yeah, they done got me started. And now it's time to leave bitches broken heart. Somebody ride, lady, yeah, they done got me started. And now it's I purchased this beat today. It's hilarious, man. This drone thing is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, but it is really bad quality. It kind of feels like I'm recording on a potato, so my apologies, guys. You know, I'm always trying to put out that quality content, but it's a beginner drone, learning how to fly and everything. So I'm gonna wrap everything up, put everything away, and then head inside. I think it's gonna be worth it. There's a lot more cars inside. Out there in the lot, it kind of just looked dead. But enough of me talking. I'm skip back to the music, and I hope you guys enjoy this content. As always, hit the subscription button, comment down below, and enjoy that lowrider mini truck content. Somebody ride, lady, yeah, they done got me started. And now it's time to leave bitches broken heart. Somebody ride, lady, yeah, they done got me started. And now it's time to leave bitches broken heart. Somebody ride, lady, yeah, they done got me started. And now it's time to leave bitches broken heart. Somebody ride, lady, yeah, they done got me started. And now I purchased this beat today. Quick interruption. Hoonigan dude right over here. I forgot his name though, because he was the one that was at Feel Fest that was like super weird, and he was like all for the ladies basically, which is fine, but I don't think it's fair that you're passing out t-shirts from Feel Fest and merch and stuff to like the ladies and stuff like that only, but it is what it is. Alright, there you guys have it. Mini truck revival. Cool day out. A lot of cool mini trucks. It's like basically like 4 or 5 different clubs, but they all have all their people out today. So they kind of made up for the lot. And this public parking place, like that's closed, but before They had cars parked over there, and then I think the last meet, like I said, was vintage Japanese. And all these buildings are closed, which is a sad thing. I really wanted to see inside. There was a Hako right outside and some type of race car livery, maybe on a Porsche, I'm not too sure. But that was inside, and sadly we can't make it in there. So now, I guess that's it. That's it for today's video. I do hope you guys liked that content. I enjoyed everything. It was a little bit different today, just trying out the whole entire aerial shots and then going in the sky. So that was pretty cool. The next video, guys, keep updated. So it is going to be on Saturday, probably on the 14th. I'm not too sure what meet is going to be there, but I know on the 15th it's going to be super exciting. Let's just say it's going to be 3 different events all day long. As always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.